Hi there, students. Myopic, an adjective. Short-sighted, another adjective with the same meaning. Myopia, the noun. Short-sightedness as a noun. And then, I guess, myopically and short-sightedly. Okay, myopia is when you have a problem with your eyes. You're unable to see distant objects. You're nearsighted. Well, I'm not. My eyes are just tired from old age. But myopia is when you're nearsighted, you're short-sighted, and you can wear glasses. But very often we use this adjective to talk about somebody who doesn't look to the future. Yeah, they're people who don't understand how their actions will affect the future. So I have a feeling that man's myopic refusal to do something now about global warming is going to cause much more serious problems in the future. You can use short-sighted in exactly the same way. His short-sighted way of viewing things meant that he was just building up problems for the future. So let's see, you can use myopic and short-sighted to talk about the eyes, but that gives you very limited use. But using myopic or short-sighted to talk about things, to talk about a lack of long-range perspective, a lack of planning, yeah, a lack of thinking about the future, lacking foresight, yeah, being unimaginative and narrow-minded. Okay, so I think one of the problems of the democratic system we have is governments are very myopic. They're very short-sighted. They're only they can only see as far as the next election, or maybe as far as the next few weeks. And that's not good. We need a more long-term view. We need not to be short-sighted. We need not to be myopic. Okay, so myopic is not thinking about the future. Yeah, only seeing the world that is close to you. Let's see. I think you can also use these two words, myopic or short-sighted, to mean narrow-minded. Yeah. So he is very short-sighted and cannot see outside of his myopic comfort zone. Yeah, he's very myopic and only thinks about the things that surround him and not about the big picture or the larger scheme of things. Okay, so if you call somebody myopic or short-sighted, they're not able to realize the consequences of the things that they will do. They can only see the short-term gain. Yeah, I think some salesmen are very myopic or short-sighted. They want to make as much money as they can and sell at the highest price possible. But perhaps it's better to take a more long-term view. That's the opposite of myopic and short-sighted. And have a reputation for being good value for money. And then you have lots of repeat business. And that would be the opposite to a myopic, short-sighted way of dealing with things. Okay, so formality. I think short-sighted, I'm going to give it a 5 in formality. Use it anywhere. I think myopic, I'm going to give it a 6. But I think you could use it anywhere as well. It's a little bit more technical, but I would certainly recommend using this in one of your essays or an exam speaking. It's a great word to use. Okay, so as to origin, well, myopic, myopia comes from ancient Greek, myopia, short-sightedness, more, to shut and to close, and ops, eye, so myopia, shut your eyes, and that's the idea. And then short-sighted, well, your sight is short. You can only see well close to you. Can't see things in the distance. So enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye for now. Myopic, short-sighted, myopia, short-sightedness.